Guys, listen to this. Your bank is changing, and if you click away, you could miss how to avoid losing hundreds, even thousands this year. The way your credit card works is changing, fast. A new kind of artificial intelligence is here. It is called Agentic AI. You need to understand it. Your money depends on it. If you do not pay attention, these new systems will cost you real money. Banks are using this AI to make decisions about your wallet. They are using it to decide what offers you see. They are using it to set fees. They are using it to manage your account. This is happening right now in 2026. The changes are fast, and they are not always on your side. This is not the same as a simple chatbot. Agentic AI can think for itself. It can take action. It can execute complex tasks across multiple systems without a human telling it what to do. According to reports from Microsoft and McKinsey, these AI agents are like digital employees. They can onboard customers, underwrite loans, handle disputes, autonomously. This is AI that proactively makes decisions for you, and about you. The mistake I made was underestimating how fast it would jump from the lab into my daily life. Visa has already launched new products using Agentic AI in 2026. American Banker reports Visa is using it to solve disputes automatically. Mastercard has launched its Agentic AI network too. An AI agent booked and paid for a rideshare in Hong Kong by itself. With HSBC. It is rolling out across the US, Australia, India, and more. This is not science fiction. It is live. Banks see efficiency, but it creates new risks for you. The core danger: these agents are built to serve the bank, not you. Their goal is to maximize profit, find new ways to increase revenue, get you to spend more with certain merchants, create complex, hard-to-spot fees, push products good for them, not for you. Understanding this dynamic is step one to protect your finances. CIO Dive, BNY Mellon is building 150 AI-powered offerings and deploying digital employees. Accenture, 57% of banking execs expect agents embedded across risk, compliance, and fraud within 3 years. Here is the secret. In credit cards, you are not the primary customer. Merchants are. Banks and networks charge merchants a fee on every transaction. With Agentic AI, the product to sell is you, your attention, and spend. Those offers are ads merchants pay to place in front of you. PYMNTS. The real AI revolution is in the offers feed before you buy. A local cafe can pay to nudge you as you walk by. You think it is a deal, but you are the product. Small engineered rewards can steer you away from the best price. Processing fees are rising, 3 to 4%, and merchants pay for targeting. Those costs get baked into prices. So yes, you are in a way paying to be marketed to. The American Express Platinum Card is a perfect example. The annual fee has soared. According to CNBC Select, it is now $895, up from $550 5 years ago. Amex points to over $3,500 in benefits. But critics, including Nerd Wallet, call it a coupon book. It forces spending with niche partners like Equinox, Lululemon, Resy. Amex owns Resy. View from the Wing noted U.S. Resy restaurant spend jumped 20%. Amex says, even after the $895 fee, retention stayed high, and 1/4 of U.S. Platinums already paid it. Expect more cards to adopt the coupon book model, higher fees, restrictive credits, hoops to jump through. Then, there's the Apple Card. Sleek, no annual fee. But it still lacks real travel transfer partners. You cannot move rewards to airline or hotel programs for outsized value. It is an easy product that quietly limits your options. In my opinion, look past marketing and evaluate how rewards actually match your spend. I recommend flexibility over lock-in. A single card transaction can involve your bank, a processor, a network like Visa, and an acquirer. Each one takes a cut. Optimus, 1 out of every 2 merchant invoices contains errors. Hidden fees and mistakes can leak 1 to 3% of total payment volume every year. New network fees can add hundreds of millions to merchants overnight. Costs often pass to you. Fraud detection is where AI shines. Mastercard reported a 300% improvement in detection rates in 2025. These systems spot patterns in milliseconds, but criminals use AI too. Highly targeted scams that bypass old controls. The FTC found adults 20 to 29 report losing money in 44% of cases, nearly double seniors at 24%. Scams are more personal and convincing. Do not click unsolicited links. Verify money requests via a separate channel. Turn on transaction alerts and freeze card controls. We are on the cusp of agentic commerce. Your AI agent will source, negotiate, and complete purchases. In January 2026, FIS launched an industry-first agentic commerce platform with Visa and Mastercard. Your fridge orders milk, your car pays for charging. They propose Know Your Agent, KYA, so banks can identify and authorize agent-initiated transactions, but rules can shape your choices, prefer partner merchants, or decline costly routes. FIS CEO Stephanie Ferris calls it a fundamental shift. And she is right. Hundreds of small agent purchases. Will you check each one? Will you notice a new fee quietly added? I recommend turning on alerts for agent-initiated transactions. When an AI decides your money fate, you deserve to know why. Many banking models are black boxes. Even builders cannot fully explain them. A 2019 New York probe into Apple Card saw husbands getting higher limits than wives, despite shared finances. No deliberate discrimination found, but a deeper problem emerged. Training data reflects decades of racial and gender discrimination. NerdWallet warns, models can learn and amplify past bias. That locks out qualified people by nearby while appearing objective. Explainability matters. Regulators and customers want the why. If you are denied or get a high rate, you must get a clear reason. Banks are investing in explainability. But more transparency is needed. The speed and scale can feel overwhelming, but you are not powerless. First, conduct a card audit. List each card, the annual fee, and benefits you actually used last year. Be honest, did you really use that $100 Saks credit or spend just to avoid losing it? If fees exceed real value, cancel or downgrade. Second, manage data and permissions. Opt out of marketing and data sharing. Turn off auto-enrolled offers. Unlink services you no longer use. Every connection feeds the AI profile. Treat your transaction history as valuable data. Finally, be a critical consumer. Ask, was I buying this anyway? Is this the best price, even with the discount? Here is the biggest mistake I made, waiting to learn how these algorithms steer me. If you don't understand these AI algorithms, you are going to lose thousands of dollars in hidden fees and missed points this year. We expose these money traps and share elite credit card hacks every single Thursday, here on CardVantage. Hit subscribe right now, so you don't leave free money on the table. Banking is being rebuilt on agentic AI, disputes in seconds, loans in minutes, but it is also a world of silent nudges and hidden fees. Be skeptical, be vigilant, check statements, question fees, set alerts for everything, spend less than you earn, avoid unnecessary debt, read the fine print, read the now embedded in code. Make the system work for you, not the other way around. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Make decisions based on your own situation and research.